Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel for another topic we are going to treat today. Okay, so basically this is a subtopic and it's under solving exponential equation. Yes, exponential equation. So basically the variable you are trying to find or make the subject is actually on the index in the equation. So I need to be able to apply the rules that are very important on that topic. So I'm going to talk about them. There are actually two. Yes, only two for you to learn. Okay, so let's go into it. The first one is when you have a raised to the power of m is equal to a raised to the power of n. Okay, you need to understand that m is equal to n. You need to know that. So in this equation you realize that the base are the same. So for solving this equation you need to equate the index and solve for the variable you are looking for. In the second one is the opposite. The index are the same but the base are not. So let me say a is equal to m and b is equal to m. So in this one you can see clearly that what a and b are not the same but m and m are the same. So the indices are the same but the base are not. So then to solve for that you have to equate a to b and you find your answer. So at the end of this session you should be able to solve question like this one. This is a past question under additional maths IG paper 2011-2. Okay, and you will see this question. I think it was a question 11. Okay, so I will be able to solve it for you to understand what to do when you have such question. So let's go back into it. So I'm going to use an example under this topic and you see how basically it goes. So example, okay, so let's assume you are asked to solve for 16x is equal to 2. So this is a basic question, very simple. So you are asked to solve something like that. So you can see that x is what at the is an index here. Okay, so you need to use any of these to solve that. Now to be able to identify the actual rule that will help you to solve this, you can look at it. You can see that here the index cannot be the same. This is x and this is 1. You can't do anything about it. But the base, you can actually transform 16 as what? 2 raised to the power of a number, because we all know that 16, okay, is equal to 4 times 4. We all know, and which is equal to what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, I like taking my time, which is 2 raised to the power of 4. Hence, what can you do here? You can write 16 in this form rather, okay, which is the same thing. So you write 2 raised to the power of 4, or x, yes, is equal to 2. Then your life become easier at this point, because what are you applying? If you look at my previous video, you know that this one you are supposed to multiply this. So then you write 2 4x is equal to 2. Then you can now, so because there's nothing here is 1, okay, it is 1. So then you can now equate the top, because you are what? Applying the first rule. This one, you're applying the first rule. So a here is like your 2 and your m represent your 4x and the n is 1. So then you write 4x is equal to what? 1. So x is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, then you have solved it. So as I said, it is something very, very easy. You just apply the formula and you are fine. So I'm going right into the past question. Okay, and then you will see how I'm doing it. So basically, when a question like this comes, don't worry yourself into sending this here and no. Try and break it down. Look at my previous video, and I'm going to go and explain it again here. But look at my previous video, you understand what I'm about to do. So here there's 5. I know 25 is 5 squared, so I'll rather write 5 2x plus 3 all over 5 squared 2x is equal to 5 squared 2 minus x all over 25 is 5 cube. Okay, you can use your calculator and check x. Okay, so you just rewrote that same equation differently. If you look at my previous video again, you understand. So you write 5 2x plus 3 all over 5 4x, which is equal to 5. Make sure that it is an integer, so 4 minus 2x all over what? 5 3x. Now go back to my videos again, see the rules. This is a division, so then it becomes 5 2x plus 3 minus 4x, okay, is equal to 5 4 minus 2x minus 3x. Are you okay? And then I'll go back to my rule. So here the indices are the same, means the base are the same, means the indices must be solved simultaneously. So I'll write 2x minus 4x negative 2x plus 3 is equal to 4 minus 5x. Okay, then life become easier. So we have 5x minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 3. So I have what? What do I have? I have 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, so I think it's quite obvious at this point. Okay, I change this one here and send this here. Okay, so you can see, very simple. Okay, so you can do it. As I said, you can do it. Whatever you set your mind into, you can do. It's very easy. You have any comment, drop it below this video. I will see it and answer you back. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.